Whatever you say.
All right, whatever you say.
Yeah, whatever you say, Bob.
Whatever you say, it's your money.
I will do whatever you say.
Good. Whatever you say.
Sure, okay, whatever you say.
Okay.
Dad, whatever you say, I'm with you.
Yeah, me too.
All right, whatever you say, Allie. You obviously have it all figured out.
Whatever you say, Papa Thing.
Excuse me, do you mind not calling me that?
Whatever you say.
You shut up. You're next.
I'll remember that for next time.
Whatever you say.
They suck.
Whatever you say.
Whatever you say.
I wish I could. I really do.
I can handle it myself.
Whatever you say, sir.
Thank you.
You have a good time in the romper room with that Euro?
Whatever you say, boss.
Anything that's not packed for college or in the attic is getting thrown out.
Whatever you say, Mom.
When you leave this building, you will be endowed with all my powers. Whatever you say, Bill.
Whatever you say, just smile and laugh. It shows confidence.
Smile and laugh. Okay.
I'm your dad. And whatever you say till the day that I die, you're my gal.
These guys aren't doing any harm. Let's just leave them.
Whatever you say.
Thank you, brother. The RRF are forever in your debt.